Oh crap! Hold up. Sorry about that. I think you guys probably can't even hear it. But what's up, guys? Keon 24/7 Gamer here with the episode that I promised you and kept on promising you that I would do, and I'm finally doing it today. So let's get going. And today we're playing, as you see in the title, Euro Truck Driver Episode 1. Okay. Let load up. I tried to do a video on this yesterday, but my editor wasn't working, and yeah, so bummer. And plus, to get it to work, I had to install it again and to delete it. The episode of Euro Truck Simulator. Yeah. Let's get. Oh my. There we go. Let's go. So I've been playing this for a while, and I have maxed out my truck. Give me a second. I want to get that hot bar out of here. Get that hot bar out of here. Yeah, there we go. Alright. So I maxed out my truck. Keon 24/7. The tall dude up in there. He's sticking out the top. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick up a job. Okay, so we're gonna turn. And I will be doing first person view. I don't want to do a too long job because I don't get a lot of jobs. That's a good deal, the electronics, but I don't want to go to Hamburg. It's too long. It'll be too long. There might be a part 2 of this. Depends on. It just depends on. Okay, the lag is real. Hey, in a second, the lag is. Did not forget to put in a first person view. I will be putting in a first person view. Because I just don't know how to back up in first person view. It's like hard to see, especially when you're turning and you don't know where the trailer is. It's kind of dark out here too. I'm going to turn on my special lights. Let's get going. Do I have any gas? I'm almost done with gas. So we're gonna go to the gas station. What crap? So oh crap. Oh Lord. Oh. Forgot I was in first person view. Okay guys, let's get going. I'm a OG, so I don't look both ways, or I don't turn on my turn signals. I usually do, but for the sake of time, I'm not. Get. Oh Lord, I'm lagging. Is that me? It's probably on y'all's side too, but I'm getting a whole bunch of lag. Oh, there it is. It's coming back. Alright, the game is coming back. It's just when I record, like especially Truck Simulator. That's one of the reasons I wasn't able to record this. I keep on looking at my fuel tank, and it's like in the inside it's telling me that it's empty, but it's really not. And as you see, there's a police up here, but bump the police. I might lose $500. I'm not sure what's wrong. But the police don't tell me what to do. Bye, nigga. See ya later, sucker. It's hot where I'm at. It's hot where I'm at. Let's go, 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 go. Oh snap, lag, 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 lag. Crap, crap, crap. Yes, that was Titan Apple that just texted me. I'm making a video. Get a chair. Sorry I was quiet because I was trying to concentrate and fix the thing and drive at the same time. That's kind of hard. So what we're going to do now is I got an announcement. I'm going to be gone for this weekend because you know 4th of July is coming up like right around the corner, and I'm going to be gone this weekend. So yeah. So you will see my next video maybe on 4th of July. I'm gonna make a 4th of July special. Burlux is almost here. Okay, we're almost there. Get it. I don't wanna go too fast because how laggy this server is. Okay, so while we're loading. You'll see my next truck simulator video or any other video on 4th of July probably. So yeah. And we're gonna do a multiplayer with Mr. Titan Apple. Yes, close. Let's go, go, go. Let's see how much time I have on this thing. As soon as I get it up. It doesn't tell me. God dang it. I forgot it doesn't. I have to fix that in the menu. Let's get it. I'm surprised it wasn't lagging like last video though. I am totally surprised it wasn't lagging like last video. I'm not that good. Well, I've been getting better at driving. The one thing I don't know how to do is hit corners. On multiplayer, how fast we freaking drive, we hate corners. It's just, watch this. I better slow down. And oh crap, I did I run out of gas? No. I'm still going. The lag is where the city is, I think. Yes, I'm a terrible driver right now. Ooh, the lag is where the city is. Because all these cars, it's like horrible. And you see, my truck is not turning when it's supposed to be turning. See, you know I hate that. You know what? Bye. I know I'm almost there, come on. Crap. I'm glad it's a green light. Oh, keep making. Shoot, I'm not running that pole. Oh, I told you. Crap. The crap in the work. Oh. Guess I was. Go. Oh, what crap. Oh, what crap. Oh.
Mom.
Sweat.
Put salad in the refrigerator.
Sweat. I'm frustrated. Just calm. I've been bumping. Shoot, I got thousands of dollars. I just don't want this video to be too long because I don't want to make a part 2. I hate making freaking part 2s. but I might have to because I had to in my second video. Yes. And I know some of you guys want to. Oh crap! Auto park. Yes, I would like to auto park. And we're finished. What in the world? Finished! So now, driving distance, 222, reward, 4,000, job done, 1,000 XP, bonus no damage, and level 3. Okay. Thank you guys for watching, and remember, make sure you subscribe and like the video if you want to see more Truck Simulator, and leave a comment below if you want to do multiplayer or single player. Do #2 for multiplayer and do #1 for single player. And don't forget, it's your boy Tion here, and I'll see you guys later.